All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys, a new fake scalp wig that required almost no effort at all. So if you are interested in this entire look, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so this wig is from my friends over at Alipearl. Thank you guys so much for sending me this wig to review. But inside of the box, they give you a scarf, an edge brush, wig cap with a elastic strap, and of course a storage bag for you to store your wig in when you're not using it. So the wig that I have right here is the Fake Scalp Wig. It is 22-inch body wave lace front wig, 180% density in a size medium, and it does also come with a pre-plucked hairline as always, because that is something Alipearl is really great at doing. So yeah, so I'm just gonna pop my wig cap on. Not that you like really need it for this wig, but it's just out of habit. So here is the wig itself. I tried my best to get my camera to focus, but you guys know I'm in a whole new space. We've moved, so I'm just getting my setup right and my lighting and my camera and all that kind of stuff. But if you can tell right there, while I'm spraying this wig onto my head, I'm trying to just show you the pre-plucked hairline. I did not have to do anything to this hairline, which is great. And as far as how I'm just laying my wig, I'm just doing my normal routine, just freeze spray with my blow dryer, and that's about it. So this is how the wig is looking after everything, and you are able to part this wig in whatever type of parting you prefer: zigzag, side part, middle part, it doesn't matter. And right here I'm just showing you that this wig actually did not fit me, which is really strange because I think with Alipearl I can wear mediums or large, and my last wig was a medium with this, I'm almost sure. But it's all good. I did not let that stop me. I just went on ahead and did a side part and just continue to style this wig as normal. So as far as the fake scalp goes, this fake scalp was awesome, you guys. I'm a huge fan of the fake scalp method because you don't have to worry about bleaching knots, tinting lace and all that kind of stuff, except for the little bit of lace that's right in the front where I'm doing my baby hair at. You are able to bleach that little like ½ inch of a spot. But as far as the rest of it, there's literally not that much work involved. So if you're someone who doesn't want to deal, this is a really great option for you. So from here on out, I'm just going to brush my hair back and just tie my edges down with my regular whatever you call this little black strip that I use all the time. And after I finish doing my makeup, this is how it's looking. The hair is always so beautiful with Alipearl. You guys know they have this like one of the best hair companies hands down, no matter where it's a wig or bundles or what, but their hair is always so beautiful and so soft. So from here it was very easy to style. I didn't have to do much but use a little bit of my wax stick. You guys always want to know what I'm using to lay the flyaways and all that kind of stuff down, and that's all this is a wax stick. You are able to find these on Amazon and at Sally's. So from here, I'm just going to finish brushing the hair out, really getting that wax stick all the way through. And another reason why I like to use the wax stick so much is when I just don't have time to really get my hair nice and flat. The wax stick really comes in handy, especially when I pair it like with my hot comb like I'm using right now. It really comes in handy to really get the hair, like the wig, as flat as possible. So if you have not picked one up, I highly recommend, because it's just a good little product to have. And then next I'm going to just cut a little bit of like the bang or the front, just because I just wanted a little bit more layer in the wig, but I didn't really want to do the whole thing. And so I'm just gonna take my wand curl and curl this wig. And I did not curl this entire wig. I was actually on my way out to celebrate my husband's birthday, and we went to a really nice dinner. So this is the look, this is the wig that I'm wearing that night. So I just put a couple curls in the front, nothing too big and, you know, and bold or nothing like that. Just very soft looking makeup, very soft look. And overall, I really love how this wig turned out. I loved how it all turned out. It just worked very well. So just applying a little bit of powder right on the edges to make it all blend very seamlessly, and then putting a little bit of bronzer right there as well, like I always do. And just to finish up this look, I'm just going to add a little bit of hairspray. This is the Got To Be Volume hairspray. I will put the link and the name of it down in the description box. But all in all, I love this wig, love how it turned out. It's very hard for Alipearl to disappoint me anyway, so they always come correct, always come with beautiful hair, beautiful wig. So I will put everything down in the description box so that you guys will have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.